I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find a pick up at five. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you don't depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe.
Hey y'all, so we're at a berry junction. We're about to get some palm wine on the side of the road on our way up to the waterfalls called Aboadaka and Dodowa. And so yeah, we're about to get some palm wine first up. Try palm wine. This is the view up the hill. And we gotta travel farther up to get to the waterfall.
So this this what we got on the road, and this is the joint for a brighter, a brie, and little.
About to try it. It's good.
It's good, right?
Fresh
one. Cheers.
Cheers. I think I tried it at that one restaurant, but this would taste better.
This from the village.
Straight out the village.
Right, madam? This from the village. My own country, I don't know.
I could have told you.
Could have told me what?
That is nice up here.
Look at Frankie. Frankie look like a tourist. He doesn't know.
We out here in the middle of nowhere with no signal and dirt roads. Some scary
This is a bamboo.
Okay. And he's saying bamboo, bamboo. Can you get me to my location, please?
Okay, baby.
Thank you.
But Frankie, I'll send out to be at the radiation.
Y'all, this is a village, man.
Yes, a village.
This is a village area.
They clay to build this house. Clay,
What?
a clay.
They use clay. We made it up the hill. We have to walk this road now to the waterfall. I had to use the bathroom so bad. They said it's no bathroom. What am I supposed to do? Pop a squat?
Who did?
He's drunk off palm wine. Let's see what lies ahead of us. Down this hill. Are we hiking?
Yeah. Frankie Jadi. Okay, so we are here. This is really deep. Pretty. So what do you say?
We made it to the waterfall. They said it's not rain season, so it's not coming a lot, but it's still so pretty. It's so pretty and peaceful. The hike was not long at all. The hike was not long at all, but it was some stairs. Oh. It's so pretty, baby.
Young ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it, go on with it. To us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessings they are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, in the rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for the journey that's to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings all from our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they come to me?
We made it to the Big Blue Resort in Kampalangka. What's it called?
Kaswa.
Kaswa.
Yeah.
Big Blue Resort in Kaswa. We made it. It was about an hour and 30 minutes drive. The roads were good and bad, a mixture of both. But we made it, so. I really want to stay. I really want to go. I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I really want to stay. I really want to go. I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Little rabbits. Well, I thought that was real, that alligator thing.
There was no rule.
It's so cute. You want a bunny rabbit? Come here. They're so cute. Okay, so we just paid our entrance fee for our day passes. You can see we got our blue tags. And it was the 400 cities to enter to swim. We get food and drinks. Not alcoholic beverages, I think just regular drink like water or like a soda or something. 400 cities is the equivalent to about $32 US dollars. So not bad at all for swimming and food. And just we can use any of the things on the resort, like play games. They have like I think like volleyball, things like that.
Yeah.
And also I think access to the beach side. So we about to explore.
Why?
Aquaba, welcome. Oh, they have 3 pools that we have access to. They have 3 pools that we have access to.
No, babe. These ones are for some people.
Oh.
The number one is for
Oh, really? Well, why say pool 1, pool 2? Oh, the water is so blue. Ooh. Yeah, yeah. This is nice, you guys. Oh, look at the beach over there. Oh. I'll be the one. This is what the rooms are called. This is the seaside rooms. Accra, Cape Coast, St. Tropez, Dubai. And we about to enter over to the pool. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look at my baby. Babe, you look good from here with the background. Oh, it's so pretty, y'all. This is the vibes. You feel me?
Like the place?
I love the place so far. We haven't even gotten the pool yet because the views are immaculate.
You look good, babe.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah.
Going down to the beach. It's so windy. That's how you know you by the waves, baby. Oh, oh. Babe, you scared or something? What's going on? Why you just standing there? You scared? He don't want to come to the beach, y'all. Look at him. He's just standing by the door. Like so. Oh, you want to go canoeing? You want to get on this boat?
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah.
Having so much fun so far.
Look at your fine face. Seems like a dolphin. Babe. Yes. What is this?
And my baby. He's scared to get in.
Hey.
It's only 5 feet. It do look deep though, y'all. But it's 5 feet. We got our drinks. He got a honey cake in. That's all he can drink now because he's the weak link. I got us sex on the beach. We got some plantain chips. And we outside. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, sweetheart. Cheers, baby. Oh, wait. You scared?
Yes.
It looks so pretty. It's good. How you scared and you jumping in like Shamu?
Like a dolphin.
Shamu. This is good, y'all. It's so citrusy. baby?
No, this one's fine. I'll take another one of anything.
Y'all, the drink's so good. I probably drink it all. Look at him. He's talking about he was scared. Now he's swimming. Swim, baby. Go. Go, baby. He enjoys swimming now, so now that's great because I love swimming too. I'm about to taste this plantain chip. I never had it before. Baby, I'm about to try a plantain chip for the first time.
It's good, baby.
It tastes like potato. It tastes like potato chip.
Oh, this pool is good, baby.
The pool? Mm-hmm.
Ah, why are you doing?
Because I'm trying to push it off.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Another one. It's funny. Bring you one, honey. What else they got that I can drink? Do they got that you know that drink I drink, that beer one? Yeah.
Fruit rice.
Oh, I thought you were saying something ice, and I'm like, yeah, that's it. You think that one cheaper? The Smirnoff ice. Is it the Smirnoff? You know the one I drink? For the drinks?
Come.
Oh, I think this side is higher than that side though.
Bring it, I won't want anything.
Oh. What drink?
Give me one anything, and you said want something else.
What's your name? I'm sorry.
Vagina.
Vagina?
Vagina. Please don't vagina.
So, Vagina. I'm sorry, Vagina. Do y'all have Smirnoff ice?
Okay.
You have that one? Okay, the black one. Can I get ice?
Okay.
Or you can put it in this
No,
cup.
I'll bring it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I want one anything.
One Heineken and one Fizz.
Oh, this one. This one. I sleep.
It's funny.
Look at beautiful face. Hey, YouTuber, bring your face. YouTuber. This beautiful girl is a YouTuber. She earned only
Hold on, let me
1
come back
million.
the water like this. What? I'm about to come back the water, ready?
Okay. What are you doing? Oh, big.
Let's go get our food. It's ready.
Careful, careful.
Beautiful, beautiful. Is it in there, baby? Is that one set?
Oh yeah, I think so. Careful, careful, careful. Let me help you.
We're about to have a late lunch right here by the beach side. It's so pretty and it's getting late out here, so it's getting a little dark, but the beach is such a vibe. Such a vibe. Look at the view, you guys. Y'all know one thing about Ghana, the waves are gonna be waving. Right, babe? The waves at their beaches are very strong. That's what makes the beach intimidating to like actually swimming. I love the water, but I have yet to like really swim in that beach because the waves are strong at every beach I've been to, and it's scary. But people actually swim in there though. But my husband won't even go into the little water to put his feet in there. We're gonna come stay here. Oh, thank you.
That's the cheese.
Okay.
In the towel.
Thank you.
I'm bringing it.
My food is here though. This is what I decided to get, to just the burgers and fries. We're gonna share both meals. And he's gonna get, well, we'll show y'all when it comes out what he's gonna get with the fry system.
Let's see. It's good, baby. I like it. It's really comfy.
Oh, yeah, good, baby. Thank you. He got spaghetti. It looks good though, baby.
Then let's eat this one first.
Well, we about to share. We didn't know what to eat, so we just gonna share both meals.
The things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine. Baby girl, I see you. Wanna ride you like a bicycle. And you they blow my...
Finish the spaghetti. Let me see the bowl, baby. Pass me the bowl. We finished the spaghetti, y'all. And it's all gone. It was actually really good. I'll give it about a 7.5 out of 10. He agreed. What is it? Rating? He says an 8. Okay. Actually, no, the more you ate, the better it got. I don't know if we hungry, but like it tasted good.
Because it's not spicy. That's all. If it's spicy like this, I'm good.
So we about to check the burgers out now. He doesn't eat burgers like that.
Yeah. Because we are nowhere.
But when I day with you, love don't cost a dime. My baby, love don't cost a dime.
Today, me and my hubby, we decided to come to Osu Castle, straight in Accra. We've been to Cape Coast the last time I was here before, one of the past times I was here, so we hadn't come here yet. This is another castle where, if you know about Cape Coast, it was a slave trade type of castle. This is a similar one. It's a little smaller than the Cape Coast, the very known one. And we about to go take a look inside and get you guys some looks too. The president also used to live in this very castle, but they have relocated to a different place now. And I think it was a very famous president. Who did they mention?
Kwame Nkrumah.
No. It was a...
J.J. Rollins.
Never mind. So yeah, you guys, let's go ahead. We about to go take a look inside. I'm bringing y'all with me. Come on.
There with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me and no go take shit. Vibe killer.
You guys can see the boats over there on the water. That's for fishing. The fishing boats. Okay, you guys, so we had made it inside, and so I wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of all the things that we were taught and learned on this excursion to the Osu Castle, also known as Fort Christiansborg. Originally, this was built as a smaller fort by the Danish, who originally created this, and then they expanded into this castle called Osu Castle, aka Fort Christiansborg. You can see all of these chains and all these jail cellars and all of these dungeons and things, because what they did here, they exchanged a lot of goods, from guns and ammo as well as slaves eventually. The castle was built in 1660, again by the Danish, and in 1693 they actually ended up getting overpowered by a group called the Aquamua ethnic group, who eventually took over at that time due to the Danish, a lot of them, their strength weakening due to death and disease and things like that. The castle is located off the Gulf of Guinea, as most, if not all, of Africa is off of the Atlantic Ocean. This is where the Danish would go for church while all of those slaves were in those dungeons and everything. Yes, very, very sad. But on that picture is the first president of Ghana, Kwame Nkrumah, who took over in, I believe, 1960. In 1957, however, though, Queen Elizabeth II was head of state, and as I mentioned, she had a room in this very castle as well. I'm tired, it's hot, and I'm thirsty now, but the castle, the history behind it is so amazing. to know, and so sad to hear. It's great to see that we have still historic like landmarks like these still standing where people can see, you know, because sometimes as people we can get so comfortable because we never had to live through that, but to know that our ancestors and stuff did, it's just an awakening like moment.
I'm a me water. She got in the bar. Feeling the charm. Feeling the charm. Feeling the
We're at Black Star Square of Accra, Ghana. This is one of the most popular tourist sites in all of Accra, right, babe?
Yes, baby.
Everybody comes see the Black Star when they come here. So if you come here, you gotta come to this
Switching
site.
over to voiceover mode again because it starts to get very noisy and windy, and as you will see a little later is that it starts to get crowded. Again, this is a main attraction, especially for tourists. Somebody came doing a whole wedding photo shoot while we were there, you guys. Anyways, the importance of the Black Star Square is basically just like a representation of freedom of all black people. So it's like an independent square type of situation. As you can see right here, as I mentioned, the people were coming.
everything I've been wanting, manifesting for my life. Everything you've been wanting, manifesting for your life. Even before you call, you don't answer prayer. My papa, you too sure, you don't fit for your head. Even before you
Yeah, Ken Masito Gallery.
Come and purchase some art.
Yeah, it's come and purchase some.
even before you call, you don't answer prayer. My papa, you too sure, fit for you. Everything I've been wanting, this year, blessing, money, testimony. Wanna follow, you they go. This year, good news, diet, plenty body. Wanna follow, you they go.
So on my last couple days, all we did was eat. And yes, that's why I ended up packing on the pounds. But it's okay. The health journey is still very much alive. And I'm pretty much bounced back to what I was already before I came. But anyways, we went to this restaurant called Bosphorus. It's a restaurant I've been seeing for a while. And we ended up getting the platter for two. I said, baby, for two, this look more for four. But anyways, it was 10-10, delicious. We enjoyed it. It was very inexpensive. Only 300 something Ghana cedis for this full platter. This one man ate it by himself.
Hey y'all, it's my last day in Ghana and we about to go to breakfast at this place called Nouveau. We keep passing by it and I said I want to try it because it looks like a really nice place. So they food look good online and everything. We're about to go see what it's about. But we're going for breakfast. We're thinking about going to maybe quad biking. That's why, you know, I got on my little quad outfit because we were supposed to do it earlier, but something came up and the plans changed again. And so we ended up doing something else super fun that is either gonna be in the video already if I haven't entered it. And yeah, this is my last day in Accra, Ghana, and I'm super sad, but we're gonna make it a great last day. So come with me, y'all, to get this brunch, breakfast, lunch. Well, it's about to be 11 a.m. so it's still technically breakfast here, but we're gonna see what they got on the menu.
What you want?
You want water as a side?
A video.
So we at a place called Nouveau in Istanbul, and we're here for brunch. So I'm thinking about either getting the chicken and bacon waffle or either the crab breakfast pocket. The crab breakfast pocket is eggs, bacon and cheese, and a crab. Y'all, he was gonna eat French fries for breakfast. but you could have got the potatoes.
But instead that you get,
I think you're gonna like it. We're gonna get back to y'all with his review because he gonna like it, I think. Outside of the beans, not put beans on my breakfast plate, please. Thank
because it's gonna make you full fast, and you're not gonna be hungry for like.
That one place we stayed, they bought us beans and eggs.
They're stupid.
And it was disgusting.
They're stupid.
We just left out of Nouveau for breakfast. The food was, I would say 10-10 for me. My husband actually ate most of his plate except like 2 things. So what would you rate it, babe? I was rated an 8 out of 10. I rate my food was a 10 out of 10. Y'all seen it. It looks delicious. It was delicious. Coffee was bomb. They had a good playlist. Y'all was in there singing. But yeah,
and the place looked nice.
The place is very nice. The food was very good. But we on to our next thing to do, baby.
Quad biking is the vibe, no?